वेलकम टू फ्री स्टडी अलर्ट। आज आप लोगों को बताऊंगा इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स। ये सभी एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, लॉ कमीशन फॉर द ट्रांसफर ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी मैटर्स वाज अपॉइंटेड इन इंग्लैंड and the draft bill prepared by the commission was introduced in legislative council in option A 1870, option B 1875, option C 1877, option D 1882. Correct answer is option C 1877. Then question number 2, the member of a state public service commission can be removed on the ground of misbehavior only after an inquiry has been conducted by the option A Supreme Court of India, option B High Court of the state, option C committee appointed by the president, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option A Supreme Court of India. Then question number 3, where is the headquarters of Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education ICFRE? Option A Dehradun, option B Ranchi, option C Shimla, option D Bhopal. Correct answer is option A Dehradun. Then question number 4, the doctrine of impossibility of performance rendering contracts void is based on option A implied term, option B just and reasonable solution, option C supervening impossibility, option D unjust enrichment. Correct answer is option C supervening impossibility. Then question number 5, which of the following are the specialized wings of Niti Aayog? Option A research wing, option B consultancy wing, option C Team India wing, option D none. Correct answer is option D A, B, C. All are correct. Then question number 6, the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes presents an annual report to which of the following? Option A President, option B Supreme Court, option C High Court, option D Lok Sabha. Correct answer is option A President. Then question number 7, a legal system is only the sum total of laws and that one only needs to identify a law was propounded by option A Bentham, option B Austin, option C Salmond, option D Hearing. Correct answer is option B Austin. Then question number 8, which article of the Constitution imposes a duty on the center to ensure that the government of every state is carried on in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution? Option A Article 352, Option B, Article 353. Option C, Article 354. Option D, Article 355. Correct answer is option D, Article 355. Then question number 9. Which constitutional amendment shifted subjects like education, forests, protection of wild animals and birds, weights and measures from state list to concurrent list? Option A, 14. Option B, 41st. Option C, 42nd. Option D, 46th. Correct answer is option C, 42nd. Then question number 10. Shanghai Cooperation Organization or SCO is an Eurasian political, economic and security organization. SCO grew out of Shanghai Five founded in 1996 with China, Russia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan as its original members. In which year did India and Pakistan get its membership? Option A, 2015. Option B, 2017. Option C, 2019. Option D, 2021. Correct answer is option B, 2017. Then question number 11. The members of the State Public Service Commission are appointed by the option A, Chief Minister. Option B, Chief Justice. Option C, Governor. Option D, Vice President. Correct answer is option C, Governor. Then question number 12. Which system is issued for the election of Vice President? Option A, system of proportional representation. Option B, direct election. Option C, voting by open ballot. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option A, system of proportional representation. Then question number 13. The Lok Sabha passed the Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Bill 2021. What is the provision of this bill? Option A, the Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Bill 2021 deals with the domestic and international arbitration. Option B, with the amendment, the bill will enable automatic stay on awards in some cases. Option C, the bill will also omit the 8th schedule of the Act that specifies through the regulation of qualifications, experience and norms of the accreditation of arbitrators. Then option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Then question number 14. The members of the state legislative assemblies are elected for a period of option A, 2 years. Option B, 6 years. Option C, 5 years. Option D, 3 years. Correct answer is option C, 5 years. Then question number 15. creation of new state or change in name of state needs amendment in which of the following schedules? Option A first, option B second, option C third, option D fourth. Correct answer is option A first. Then question number 16. The power of the Indian Parliament to amend the Constitution of India is a constituent power laid down in Article 368 by option A First Constitution Amendment 1951, option B 24th Amendment Act of 1971, option C 26th Amendment Act of 1971, option D 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. Correct answer is option B 24th Amendment Act of 1971. Then question number 17. The members of the state legislature exercise control over the council of the ministers through option A questions and supplementary questions, option B criticism of its policies, option C ad- adjournment motion, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option D all of the above. Then question number 18. When the design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India? Option A July 1947, option B August 1947, option C July 1948, option D July 1950. Correct answer is option A July 1947. Then question number 19. The preamble to our Constitution provided that India is option A sovereign socialist and democratic republic, option B a sovereign socialist, secular and democratic republic, option C a sovereign republic with a socialist pattern of society, option D a socialist, secular and democratic republic. Correct answer is option B a sovereign socialist, secular and democratic republic. Then question number 20. How many types the President of India enjoys emergency powers? Option A 5 types, option B 4 types, option C 3 types, option D 2 types. Correct answer is option C 3 types. Then question number 21. The position of the Prime Minister of India is superior to that of his counterpart in Britain because option A India is the biggest democracy, option B India has adopted the federal system, option C India has a written constitution, option D his office enjoys constitutional basis. Correct answer is option D his office enjoys constitutional basis. Then question number 22. Which of the following is described as the soul of constitution? Option A, fundamental right. Option B, fundamental duties. Option C, directive principle for state policy. Option D, preamble. Correct answer is option A, fundamental right. Question number 23. The power of Supreme Court of India to decide the dispute between the central and state falls under its option A, advisory jurisdiction. Option B, appellate jurisdiction. Option C, original jurisdiction. Option D, constitutional jurisdiction. Correct answer is option C, original jurisdiction. Then question number 24. Every ordinary bill has passed through dash stages in Parliament. Option A 4, option B 7, option C 5, option D 8. Correct answer is option C 5. Then question number 25, last question. The minimum number of members that must be present to hold the meeting of Lok Sabha is option A, 1/4 of the total membership. Option B, 1/10 of the total membership of the houses. Option C, 50% strength of the Lok Sabha. Option D, at least 100 members. And so correct answer is option B, 1/10 of the total membership of the houses. Welcome.